Hello, I'm Amelia, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix kitchen faucet with pull-out function. Here using the example of GROHE Start with pull-out dual spray head. It sounds complicated, but it's not. An important note beforehand. This installation also applies to many other models, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, of course you should turn off the water before installation. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed assembly instructions. Using the QR code, you'll find further important information and eventually the installation video. To install your new faucet, all you need is an adjustable spanner or a matching spanner and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started then. First, you have to slide this seal over the hoses so that no water can flow between the tap and the sink later. Then insert carefully. Done. Now slide the fastening over the fastening bolt under the wash basin with the rubber holder facing upwards. Then simply hand tighten until the faucet no longer twists on the wash basin. Now connect the hose to the spray head and guide it through the hole in the faucet. Then connect the spray hose to the short pipe on the faucet and tighten it firmly. Alternatively, some products come with a snap coupling that connects the hose to the fittings with a click. Next, it's the flexible connection hose's turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always for cold water and is also connected to the right-hand angle valve as the cold water connection is located there. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten firmly with the spanner until the connection is tight. Make sure that the hoses do not become kinked or twisted. It's best to hold the hoses by hand or with a suitable tool when tightening them. Now screw the weight onto the spray hose so that it can slide back into the faucet more easily. First unscrew, and then attach to the hose. Make sure that it's correctly positioned. Super! Let's turn on the water. Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First, turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. And now you can test your new faucet. Done! Not so hard after all, right?